Oh man, people. Oh man, goddamn. You guys already know what time it is. New lens, who this is me, porn star Paul Cantu, back at you guys with a brand new video. Now, before I get into this video, I gotta shout out you guys, my sus squad, my supporters, who definitely have filled my Lambo foreign phone with all types of beautimous, heartfelt messages. Of course, you got the classic crack demon coming through with the Paul needs to stop teasing us with that booty piercing tongue of his. Insert clip here.
No way.
Bruh, I'm sorry, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to motivate you guys to come see me in person. This next comment, of course, by Seymour Butts. I did feature him before where he was talking about when am I gonna take his mom back or smash his mom again? I don't remember what it was, but he said, hey dad, it's me, your son again. Mom wants to know if I can spend the summer vacation with you. No doubt, son. Come on through, man. Bring your mama too. You dig what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep you up all night in the summertime. And then last and certainly not least, the boy, oh, it's a chick. Hey, shout out my girl Victoria Haynes. All the underwear brand. She said, Toucan Cantu needs to give that good beak, tasting the Fruit Loop flavor. Dog. What you been eating lately, girl? All right, there's just a lot of really great comment literature that I've been reading lately. I wish I could feature all you guys, and I will because I'm dropping a lot more videos. Speaking of which, man, boom, you shouldn't throw your phone like that. Today, I have a bunch of boxes, a bunch of Bill Parcells, if you will. And a lot of these, bro, I've had for a minute. So I have a fuck the population unboxing and some sponsored unboxings. And what's crazy, get off you, bitch. What's crazy, bro, is this FTP parcel I got sent to me October 5th of 2016. So yeah, guys, it's almost been 2 years since I really have been motivated enough to get back on my unboxing tip. Because you guys know, most of the time I like just showing off clothes that I find in the thrift. But I used to combine a lot of old with new, and honestly I think that's a really dope way to style your damn self. So speaking of old, bruh, one of my longtime old sponsors sent me 2 packages. I saw him post some shit up on Instagram and I thought the pieces were sick. So I was like, hey man, go ahead and just send them parcels my way. So shout out Crook of Hearts for coming through with this. It appears like fern/weed inspired. I almost said inspired. Let me dig in the back of the reefer. Weed inspired Milton tennis ball graphic on the tape. That definitely is sick. So I think I'm going to jump into the apparel package first. And oh yeah, by the way, I hope you guys like my new background setup. I've been in this apartment like 6 months and finally decorated it because I'm low-key just like a lazy piece of fucking shit. But hey man, we out here, bruh. New lens, new backdrop. You already know what time it is. Same old Trish, the blonde hair bitch though. Anyways, God, I don't like that blade face in my my arse. You know what I'm saying? Dude, I just low-key cut my fucking leather, bitch. Anyways, guys, I don't even remember what the apparel items were that were listed, but it appears he threw in 3 different items. So let's get into them. Blah. All right, man. So the first item is the classic. Oh, this is actually pretty sick. Flaunt t-shirt right here. So it just says Flaunt with the simple graphic on the front. Hopefully you guys know how to read. It is on an American Apparel blank. Then on the back, boom, baby. You got the octopus and the coding color scheme. Bruh, this fool definitely has been shipping a little something. But yeah, man, I just love animals. This smells like straight up fucking vinegar. I don't know if it's the screen printing or what. But yeah, man, you guys know low-key vegan Paul Cantu in this bitch. So I love me some animals. So that is a dope graphic tee, especially for the summertime. And I like that it's simple on the front and popping on the back. It almost is like it's like a damn mullet, bro. You know, business in the front, party in the back. I may have to grow one out. Another piece he threw in was the exact same thing, but this is a crew neck. So it is extremely hot in Texas. That's what I told him. I was fucking with the crew necks, but I need something to keep my neck cool in the summertime. So I'm glad I got that short sleeve. Now this next piece is all white and looking like a poltergeist. That all white is that poltergeist. Yeah. Anyways, man, this shirt right hither is a long sleeve. It is cotton, it is thin. It says Flaunt. It has like this pearl necklace slash maybe like those balls that would attach to your anklet if you were in an old-timey prison cell. Again, man, very clean, very lightweight. I may have to cut off the sleeve so I can rock this right about now, but that is very cool. So I appreciate that piece as well in the streets. Now, he also threw in this this box right here, which does have a couple of hats contained in the cardboard. So I'm gonna go ahead and unleash them from their captivity. Ooh. I don't know why I'm opening from this angle. This definitely is not the top or bottom of the box. I'm coming through a side angle. That's the best way to hit it though, is from the side, you dig? All right, so the hats are in this, like a little trash bag, I guess you could say. And I got 2 of them, and these again go with my animal loving theme. So you got the orcas right there. If you guys have not seen the movie Blackfish, definitely check it out. These are heavily embroidered as orcas, so it appears you have a mother and you have the son and or maybe female child, I don't even know. But basically what's crazy about orcas, man, is back when they would like capture them hoes to put in SeaWorld, they would follow the mothers and the babies, and they started realizing that. So the mothers would dip to the right and all the male whales would dip to the left with the babies, so they would follow the females in the boats trying to capture the little kids. But yeah, man, eventually they found out what was going on because they involved helicopters and planes in that bitch in the pursuit. And yeah, dog, there's just no escape from the helicopters, man. Unless you're under a tree, you know what I'm saying, underneath some foliage, and the cops trying to look for you, you can't really escape from helicopters, bro, just straight up. So yeah, man, that's a dope ass hat. That was a really long story. Shout out my boy Tillicum. Also, you have the turtle. You guys already know, if you follow me on fucking Instagram, you guys know the turtle is my ting. I basically have a son that is a turtle that appears in every single photo. In case you guys didn't know, he's there, he's here, he's everywhere. So yeah, check your boy out on IG. But it's just a turtle snapback, so it has a turtle all embroidered, and these are on Adams blanks. You know what I'm saying? What's crazy is I do believe this hat I am rocking currently is an Adams blank as well. This is like some just random bank ass hat. So yeah, dude, that's fucking sick. These hats definitely do fit like a gym. Hopefully this is trained to my head size. Boom, 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 boom. So yeah, man. Shout out my boy Orlando and Crooked Hearts. The link, if you guys are interested in any of the apparel, is down below in the description. You dig what I'm saying? So now, we're getting into another package. This just goes to show I'm a piece of shit when it comes to unboxing stuff. This is from March 15th, 2017. So this is a year ago, and this is by my boy at Lord Knows Clothing. So it kind of is a similar vein to Fuck the Population in regards to being like a streetwear type of brand. I would say that the quality is a little bit lower on some of the garments I've gotten, but we'll see what's up in here. Holy shit. Good God, it's like, fuck. I did not expect this many items. So yeah, man, he threw in stickers. Yeah, dude, Jesus Christ swag, bruh. So let's go ahead and just briefly get into these items right here. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with them because I have so many clothes as is. I may throw some of these on my vintage website up for free, whatever I do not keep. Oh, yo, this shirt actually is hard though. It says family on the front. Jesus, why am I just now unboxing this? I'm such a piece of shit. And on the back, it got like all the homies and it says Lord Knows. Dude, if you guys don't know what homies are, because some of y'all are kind of young, bro. They used to have these vending machines at like CC's Pizza, and you like collect the fuck out of them. And I don't know like what made children want to like cop some like degenerate ass, like hood ass toys. But I definitely had a couple homies, and I would always want them too, but I was on my like dime piece game. You dig what I'm saying? I had no quarters for the vending machine, and my parents weren't fucking with the movement. Now, we also got a jacket right here. And this looks sick, but again, man, I'm in Texas, so it's hot as fuck. This is what I mean, man. This piece is alright. It doesn't feel like the highest quality. It is embroidered, and then on the back, it's screen printed. It says Lord Knows. I wish it was just all embroidered all over. It's like a lighter material. It's not bad looking. You know what I'm saying? It's just not the highest quality. Like when you're a clothes connoisseur, you can know when something is made very well in the sweatshops as opposed to, you know, being made with kind of the B-gradish material. And that's no offense, that's just real. I mean, I get it. If you're trying to make clothes, like that's just very costly. This piece is sick though, man. Again, very, very light material, which kind of is good in this case because it's hot than a bitch. But yeah, you have this like, I don't even know what this is called. I feel like it's like an Egyptian crucifix. That's not correct at all, man. I am no archaeologist or Egyptologist, anything of that nature. But that's cool as well, man. Black and white, very simple. Keep it popping like a pimple. I will be rocking that for sure. And then we have one more package, and this appears to have a hoodie. Yeah. This is just a bread hoodie. It says Lord knows right on the back side. So yeah, man, I appreciate those clothing items as well. Hands down, the homie shirt was the best in my opinion. And now it's probably the time and the moment you guys have been waiting for, the fuck the population unbagging. Wham! So here is the package right here. Now, this is a really funny fucking story, man. So I knew about FTP, I think it was 2015 or 2014. I was on some blog and I saw that they had this terrorist organization and it was talking about how their like PayPal got shut down. This is super beginning. I think that might have been one of their first pieces was the terrorist organization t-shirt, which I guess like the Department of Homeland Security got fucking freaked out about. And so yeah, man, they shut down Zach's PayPal, all that shit. And then I saw like they had this drop and I wanted to cop, but I was like broken in college. This is before my YouTube really was like popping off like it is, you know what I'm saying? But I saw the Virgin Mary getting her pussy eaten, for lack of a better term. God, I was gonna get my shit demolished, I don't give a fuck. Yeah, man, I saw a shirt where Mary was getting eaten out and I was like, that is so hard. It's like a button up. And that's kind of how I became aware of FTP. So to make it full circle, it was 2016, me and Jacob Starr were in Washington, we were chilling, and he was like, man, there's FTP drop, blah, 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 blah. I'm not really into all the hype shit, but I was like, man, I fuck with FTP, so I'll just fuck around and see what I can get, and I'll either like flip it or keep it. And so I picked out some dope pieces that I personally liked, and so that's what is contained in this package. Now, I thought I might flip them, but honestly, I'm about to keep these bitches because this is like breaking something out of the vault. Like, you guys wouldn't believe, I think I have packages from 2014 that I haven't unboxed. I just am so bad at unboxing things. So, opening the package, diving right in, I got a couple FTP simple logo stickers, so I appreciate those. And I guess I just got 2 t-shirts. Damn, I thought I got more shit. Ooh, and it has a name of them, which I'm very excited about revealing because I did not remember the names. So we'll get into the first one first because it does kind of go with my porn star theme. Hence the reason I decided to rock and shock this shirt aside from my homemade tapes. So this first shirt is all white. It's that Poltergeist, as I said. It says FTP, Adult Entertainment. It got the bad bitch right on the front. And then when you flip and dip, FTP, Adult Entertainment right on the back. Very clean. I really like the graphic. I just really needed some essential white shirts. I hope I do not perspirate too much in these and defile the armpits with my fucking human stank freaking residue. Now, the next piece is what I definitely am excited about. It is an all yellow shirt. You guys know, y'all can see by my background. I love these bright colors, man. I'm a pretty flamboyant dude when it comes to my sexuality. No, I'm just kidding. When it comes to my fucking style and apparel. But yeah, man, this is very simple. It says, fuck the population. It got like an 80s graphic. This is called the Suicidal Thoughts tee. So this dude has a revolver up to his temple. And the other dude looks like he is carving a turkey, except the turkey is his wrist. R.I.P. dog. But yeah, man, mental health definitely is no joke. So if you guys are feeling some type of way, talk to somebody, man. Kind words from Paul can too. But yeah, dude, I can't wait to rock this fucking shirt. It's dope as hell. I got both of these in a size large in case y'all were bi-curious. But yeah, man, I think I am gonna cop more FTP shit because that is a brand that I think is making really cool stuff in the streetwear industry. But yeah, bruh, that's pretty much this entire unbagging slash unboxing ceremony. If you guys enjoyed, like, comment, and subscribe. Again, a shout out to everybody dropping comments in the comment section below. It's summertime, and as my boy Seymour Butts said, even though it should be Seymour Butts can too, trying to look at your mom's ass cheeks, bruh. As he said, man, it's summertime, and during summertime, I just really feel like dropping a lot of content for you guys because I know y'all are on vacation, and shout out everybody who done graduated. You made it. Anyways, peace and love. Live the dream. Eat that vegan ice cream. I'll catch you guys next time. I'm locked and loaded, and I am gone. Fuck the population, bitch.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.